Hello my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. It's Monday, which means I'm back at Aldi, and this week is a small haul to compensate for all the money I spent last week. We are doing freezer, pantry, fridge clean out, so that means a lot of my meals are based on what I have at hand. I need to get some lunch items, a little fill-in, and I'm excited to see some of the more fall and pumpkin items here, even though I'm going to try not to buy much. So let's get in the store, see what they got. We are going to do like a quasi charcuterie for dinner. I need more crackers, but we have lots of meats and cheeses to eat up. $2.95. Okay, 99 cents for white bread. I also got pita for $2.99, but there was a worker blocking it, so I had to ask. I wanted strawberries at $2.49 a piece, but they all look pretty crummy, so I'm getting 2 things of blueberries at $2.79. Easy for the kids' lunches. Okay, my husband asked me to get Diet Cola, $3.49. Also, I'm getting him 4 things of energy, $1.19 a piece. I'm getting 2 things of apple juice at $2.79 a piece. I'm not a plant person, but look how pretty this is. I really just think this is very beautiful. I just know that I'd also kill it. But lots of pretty plant options this week. Coffee plants, little mini zebras, fall gnomes. I am resisting, but they're cute. Sofa covers, mugs, storage containers. That's interesting, these graters. A rotary grater. Baskets. Oh, I love the pet beds. Those are $30. They're very pretty. Halloween candy has made an appearance. These are cute. It's fruit strips, $10. Wow. More Halloween candy. I'm not getting these, but I always think they're super cute. Belgian Pumpkins, little chocolates. I completely ran out of olive oil, $4.49 for more. Brown sugar, $1.69. Okay, I'm gonna have to stay strong, but I'm going through this. So there's lots of soups, there's tuna burger, shrimp, stuffed shrimp, turkey breasts. Oh, they still have the taquitos. Craft beer battered potato fries, yummy. Quick fries, chicken patties, Southwest Fiesta salad. Looks like it's made with quinoa. Risottos, cheese sticks. Those look good. $3.69 for those. Bagel pizzas, burritos, chicken nuggets, pizzas. There we go. For my daughter's lunch, $3.29. The cakes, the bundt cakes, still have a lot of the ice creams. Frozen fruits. I'm gonna get this for smoothies because I have some bananas to use as well. $5.99. Definitely not a staple that I need, but my son will like this blend. He keeps wanting me to get dragon fruit. I don't know what it is. Our Aldi keeps being out of the tangerine waters. So I'm gonna have to get something different. But I never see blackberry, so that's interesting. Maybe we'll try that. $3.49. I just have to dig it out. The Belgian waters are now up to 78 cents. They used to be 55, but I'm gonna get as many of these as I can find. I could only find 6. Okay, I'm going to get broccoli and cauliflower rice to make a stir fry with. $2.09.95. Still have so many cute things for children's bedrooms. Nothing that I need. I don't think there's too much new in this aisle. Some different games. I feel like getting geared up for Christmas season. Lots of cute toys. Oh, the Disney Pixar library books. These are so cute. They're on clearance. I don't even remember seeing them. Okay, so here's my pitiful small cart. Hopefully getting my budget back in check after last week. Any guess on my total? That looks so good. $3.99. And I always get comments when I do these hauls that we don't have enough food. I promise you, we have so much food here. I also have a chest freezer in our garage. We are just full to capacity. It may not be the best meals where everyone loves everything, but we're gonna eat up the food we have because I hate waste. And we have lots of food on hand, so it's necessary on occasion. I spent $55.01 today, not too bad. Okay, this week we're making Grandpa Special. I have so many eggs left over from my cake making. I ended up not making cake pops, which means I have way too many eggs. I have hot dogs in the freezer and potatoes. Pretty much everything's covered. I just needed some bread for toast. We're gonna have stir fry, and I'm using the cauliflower rice and the broccoli with that. And then I have like half bottles of leftover Asian sauces we'll use up. I have rice and I have frozen chicken to use. We have like remnant bags of taco cheese, half bags of tortillas, half bag of tortilla chips. We're gonna do nachos, quesadillas, tacos, whatever you can find for yourself. I do have taco meat frozen that I'll prepare. I have pumpkin left over from my husband making pumpkin cake, so I'll make pumpkin pancakes out of that. I needed to get brown sugar so I can make the praline sauce. We are gonna make Alfredo and whatever pasta I have on hand. Normally I use penne. They actually didn't even have penne in the store today. So I'm gonna use probably angel hair pasta, I think is what I have on hand. We have the spicy salami, lots of random cheese blocks, parts of them. So I'm gonna do like a cheap version of a charcuterie. We'll eat up whatever we have left in olive jars or artichokes. We have lots of bits and pieces to use up. And then actually tonight we are having leftovers from this weekend. We have our leftovers from Chili's. We went there for my son's birthday. Red Robin wasn't accepting people, so we moved to Chili's last night for his birthday, and we had so much food left over, different leftover food in our fridge. We're eating it before we get into the rest of the pantry week. It will be no one's favorite week of eating, but I don't care. We need to get through this food. In case you're curious, here's leftover of my birthday cake I made for my son using mostly all the ingredients. I'll pop up a picture right here. Birthday weekend was a success, and here's what we're left with this week. If you're interested in seeing how we make Grandpa Special, this is actually my father-in-law's his late father's recipe. It's something we still enjoy eating on occasion. It's very homey, very comforting, and a really nice warm meal. If you're interested in seeing how we make it or what it is, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, down and ciao.